Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm here at Mangrove Eco Park, Rasanura. Uh, the weather is really hot today, but I managed to come, and since long I was planning to visit here. Here we are at Mangrove Eco Park, powered by Saudi Aramco. As you can see, a very nice building, small building, but a very nice and in decent place. As you can see around the atmosphere, there are some rules, regulation for this park, as we are going to follow all the rules and regulations. Mangrove Eco Park, here we are. Let's go inside and see what we got here. So here we are inside. As you can see, the entrance is full of natural plants. As you can see, some demos, about animal, natural plants, flamingo. As you can see here, beautifully designed. The place is so cool. Here you can see a small store, so we can get our refreshments and drinks before we proceed to the walkway. As you can see here, every necessary items are available in affordable prices. Look at this aquarium, large aquarium. I don't see anything, but I hope there is some shrimps and crab or maybe turtle around hiding from me. Look at these birds. This is a top view. Guys. So beautiful. So beautiful, nicely designed and decorated by Saudi Aramco. Here you can see the screen, big screen defining all the items, what's happening, what's going on, and most of the time they organize some events around here. This is a big screen where we can have a small movie or show. These birds are available here in the desert or in the park, you can say. These are wild birds, beautiful ones. Okay, let's see what we have here outside. I'm so excited to go outside and walk at the walkway. The weather is a bit hot, but it's okay. We got all our gears, glasses, caps, hat, umbrella. So we are all equipped with our things. It's a nice setup of sitting. Let's go to the upper deck and see and check the view from up. Here you go. Wow, beautiful, amazing view from the upper deck. As you can see, wild plants, and we got some binoculars where you can see far from here. This is another view from my left side. As you can see, the walkway all the way till the end, till we reach to the sea. It's a nice walkway, guys. There is some sitting arrangements here. As you can see, the water is a bit dry, but it's a park powered by Aramco. Kids are enjoying here. Let's start our walk. So these are some basic rules, regulation, that there will be no emergency telephone is available here, 911 you can dial. Some basic rules, regulations, foods and things are not allowed here. You can have your drinks only. Cycle riding is not allowed. Let's start our walk. The walkway is so strong and beautifully designed. Let's see, guys. Wow, it's a huge jungle here. You can see the view around. It's amazing. I'm so far now. As I can see, the building is very far. Let's continue our walking as I'm sweating right now. It's so hot here. Let's see what we have. Oh, maybe I will find a crocodile around. It looks like there must be a crocodile, snakes, and many more. Let's see over there. This side looks more scary. Crabs are there. There are a lot of crabs and fishes, small fishes. Keep walking until the end. Let's see. Wow, it's so dangerous here. Look at the sun is on my head, and look at the water, green water. It's deep, like 30 kilometers deep here. So deep. Let's keep walking and let's see where we reach until the end of this walkway. It looks like I'm all alone here. So here we go. Let's start our journey. Keep walking until the end. Oh, I found one birdie. Here you go. You can see this amazing bird flying around. Oh, finally I reach at the end of this walkway, and now I can see the blue sea. The deep here is 40 kilometers deep here. If you want to jump and swim here, it's on your own risk. Wow, it's a huge jungle here, guys. You can see that. I wish I can see a crocodile here, but I don't think so. There is crocodile around. Let's go back again, as I'm tired now. Oh, finally we are at the building to get some cool air and get some soft drinks, fresh up, and we will leave soon. Let me show you the outside view again before we leave this area.